Did you know that people who are universally respected tend to earn 5% more on average than those who struggle to gain respect? It's not just about social currency. It's a hidden key to success and fulfillment in life. Respect isn't given. It's earned and cultivated. Whether you're navigating personal relationships or climbing the corporate ladder, mastering the art of respect is essential. Today, we'll uncover 5 powerful psychology secrets that will transform how others perceive you. Too often, people chase after respect in all the wrong ways, trying to dominate conversations, flaunting achievements, or simply demanding it outright. But here's the challenge. Respect is subtle. It thrives on mutual understanding and authentic connection. The misconceptions surrounding respect often leave people frustrated or feeling overlooked, wondering why their efforts aren't paying off. What if there was a better way? Let's dive into the 5 secrets to mastering respect. 1. Empathetic listening. Respect begins with making others feel heard. Actively listen without interrupting and you will notice how people start valuing your presence. 2. Consistency. People respect those who are consistent in their actions and words. Show reliability and trust will naturally follow. 3. Confidence, not arrogance. Respect isn't about being the loudest in the room. It's about projecting assurance in your ideas without dismissing others. 4. Generosity in praise. Acknowledging others' efforts and successes creates goodwill and earns respect in return. Genuine compliments work wonders. 5. Boundaries and assertiveness. Stand your ground when necessary, but do so tactfully. Respect stems from balancing strength with kindness. The most transformative secret, empathetic listening. In a world where everyone is eager to be heard, the act of truly listening becomes a rare and powerful tool. When you focus on understanding rather than responding, you foster deeper connections and gain unparalleled respect effortlessly. Respect isn't just about personal gain. It's the foundation of meaningful relationships and professional success. By embracing empathetic listening, consistency, confidence, generosity in praise, and assertiveness, you are the ability to command respect in every area of your life. What are your thoughts on these secrets? Share your experiences in the comments below.